In order for Connect SoCal, SCAG's long-range regional plan to meet a set of community, transportation, and environmental targets, SCAG needs up-to-date data from a number of sources to maintain accurate regional representation of key planning data sets. Local Data Exchange, or LDX, provides a secure platform for local jurisdictions to review and edit select regional data sets in their local context and request technical assistance from SCAG. Specifically throughout the LDX process, jurisdictions are able to provide local updates and corrections on land use layers and preliminary growth forecasts, offer feedback and make edits on additional data layers, and work collaboratively with SCAG to align local and regional visions to secure LDX tools, allow local jurisdictions to provide input in a way that makes sense for each of the nearly 30 data sets that are currently available. The LDX tools are used to support Connect SoCal, but can also be utilized outside of Connect SoCal's updates. Work collaboratively with SCAG to align local and regional visions. This will ensure that both SCAG and local jurisdictions have access to the most up-to-date planning data. For example, jurisdictions can use the LDX Editor application to provide direct edits on data or provide map-based feedback on different data layers. Or for jurisdictions that already have a complete representation of a data layer that they want to share, they can use LDX to upload a shapefile or file geodatabase containing their data. Lastly, for jurisdictions who use ArcGIS Urban, simply share the publicly accessible link to an adopted plan for review. For more information on how to use the LDX tools, please watch the LDX Tools video. Every contribution that is made through the LDX tools follows a standard process. First, a local contributor, such as a planner from a local jurisdiction, provides input using one of the tools just mentioned. Once the local contributor submits input, the local reviewer for the jurisdiction, such as a planning manager or director, receives an email notification that there is input to review. The local reviewer then reviews the input and either approves it to be sent to SCAG or denies the input. If approved, SCAG receives an email and will review the input. If SCAG approves, the input will be incorporated into the regional data set. If there are questions or the input is denied by SCAG, additional emails will be sent to the local reviewer. Regardless of the way you contribute data through LDX, anyone using the LDX tools will first need an account. This is because all LDX tools are secure, meaning only local jurisdiction staff who have requested an account can access the tools. To request an account, go to the LDX page within the RDP Regional Hub. On this page, you can learn more about the LDX process and access the account request form. The Simple Account Request Survey form only requires you to provide your name, contact information, jurisdiction, and LDX role, either a local contributor who is just responsible for providing input, or a local reviewer who can both provide input and can review other input from your jurisdiction. Each local jurisdiction should have at least one local reviewer. After submitting the request for access, your request will be reviewed by SCAG, and once approved, an email will be sent to you with your login credentials. Once you have your login credentials, you can access the LDX tools from the Regional Hub by logging in using the Jurisdiction and Partner login. If at any time you have questions or need additional support, you can request technical assistance. Submitting a request for technical assistance will engage the local information services team to provide more support.